Maximizing AWS cost efficiency. Smart autoscaling strategies for non-business hours. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. In today's cloud-driven world, managing infrastructure costs is crucial for organizations of all sizes. As companies transition to AWS, the ability to intelligently scale resources during non-business hours can result in significant cost savings. This podcast delves into how businesses can optimize their AWS costs through intelligent autoscaling, focusing on non-business hours while ensuring seamless performance and efficiency. Transition to AWS. Consolidating multiple platforms. The journey to AWS often begins with consolidating multiple platforms under a unified infrastructure. By transitioning to AWS, companies can centralize their operations, making managing, monitoring, and scaling their resources easier. This consolidation also simplifies the deployment and management of workloads, providing a more consistent and predictable environment. The decision to migrate to AWS for unified infrastructure management. Migrating to AWS is not just about moving workloads, it's about embracing a unified infrastructure management strategy. AWS offers a wide range of services that cater to diverse needs, from computing and storage to networking and security. This migration allows organizations to leverage AWS's full potential and scale efficiently while reducing operational overhead. Diverse team choices. EKS versus ECS. One critical decision during migration is choosing the right container orchestration platform. AWS offers two primary options: Elastic Kubernetes Service, EKS, and Elastic Container Service, ECS. EKS provides a managed Kubernetes service, ideal for teams familiar with Kubernetes and those looking to run complex, distributed applications. ECS is a fully managed container orchestration service that integrates seamlessly with other AWS services, making it a popular choice for teams seeking simplicity and tight integration with AWS. Choosing between EKS and ECS depends on your team's expertise, the complexity of your applications, and your long-term cloud strategy. Exploring different approaches to containerization and orchestration. Containerization and orchestration are at the heart of modern cloud architectures. By adopting containers, organizations can ensure that their applications are portable, scalable, and resilient. EKS and ECS offer different approaches to orchestration, allowing teams to select the one that best aligns with their needs. Whether it's the flexibility of Kubernetes or the simplicity of ECS, both platforms enable efficient scaling and management of containerized applications. Implementing autoscaling across environments. Autoscaling is a powerful feature in AWS that allows resources to adjust automatically based on demand. Organizations can ensure that resources are utilized efficiently, minimize waste, and optimize performance by implementing autoscaling across different environments: development, staging, and production. Setting up autoscaling for EC2 and RDS resources. To optimize costs, it's essential to set up autoscaling for both EC2 instances and RDS databases. EC2 autoscaling. EC2 autoscaling adjusts the number of EC2 instances based on demand. During non-business hours, you can scale to the minimum number of cases required to keep essential services running, reducing costs without compromising availability. RDS autoscaling. RDS provides automatic scaling for the database storage, but you can adjust the instance size or even stop and start instances during off-peak hours to save costs. Autoscaling logic for EC2 instances. Implementing autoscaling logic for EC2 instances involves defining policies that dictate when to scale in and out. These policies can be based on metrics such as CPU utilization, memory usage, or custom CloudWatch alarms. During non-business hours, scaling policies can be adjusted to maintain minimal resource usage, ensuring you only pay for what you need. Designing a cron job-based system for efficient resource utilization. To further optimize costs, you can design a cron job-based system that schedules resource scaling. By using AWS Lambda or EC2 instances, you can automate resource scaling based on predefined schedules, such as scaling down on weekends or evenings and scaling up before the start of the business day. Tagging strategy for auto-scaling tasks. A robust tagging strategy is crucial for effectively managing auto-scaling tasks. By tagging resources based on their environment, role, or cost center, you can easily track and manage your scaling activities. Tags also enable you to implement more granular scaling policies, ensuring consistent behavior across your entire infrastructure. Ensuring consistent scaling behavior across resources. Consistency in scaling behavior is vital to avoid disruptions or performance bottlenecks. By standardizing your scaling policies and using consistent tags across resources, you can ensure that your entire environment scales in unison, maintaining optimal performance while minimizing costs. Savings from auto-scaling, extending off-peak usage. One of the most significant benefits of intelligent auto-scaling is the potential for cost savings. Organizations can extend their usage without incurring additional costs by scaling down resources during off-peak hours. This approach allows businesses to maximize their AWS investment while keeping expenses in check. Calculating the financial benefits of scaling down during weekends and evenings. To quantify the financial benefits of auto-scaling, you can analyze the cost savings from scaling down resources during weekends and evenings. AWS Cost Explorer and Trusted Advisor provide insights into your usage patterns and help identify areas where auto-scaling can lead to substantial savings. You can optimize costs and improve your bottom line by continuously monitoring and adjusting your scaling policies. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.